We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our Prime Minister. The American President would come here and invite the Prime Minister.
How can you make such kind of statement? He's leader of opposition, sir.
When we talk to the United States, we would not send our Foreign Minister to invite our Prime Minister to his coronation. We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our Prime Minister. Because if we had a production system and if we were working on these technologies, the American President would come here and invite the Prime Minister.
Sir, leader of opposition cannot make such serious, unsubstantiated statements. This is related to the relation between two countries. And he is making an unverified statement about invitation of the Prime Minister of our country. It's matter of our dignity. How can you make such kind of statement? He's leader of opposition, sir. He should be responsible in making such statement.
Sir, LOP is giving us very positive suggestions. Why they are worried, sir? For the country, he is giving.
Leader of opposition has the information from any official source. He must inform the House. If leader of opposition has the information, please inform the House. Okay. Who has told you that foreign ministers visited for the purpose which you have mentioned? You must specify it.
So, I'm sorry that disturbed you, that question. I apologize for disturbing your peace of mind. Okay. I've apologized. I've apologized for disturbing your peace of mind. I'm sorry.
Apologize for lying to the House. ऐसा नहीं होता है। तो सीरियस होना चाहिए लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को। कम से कम देश के मामले में तो एक हो। देश के मामले में तो एक वॉइस से बोलना चाहिए। ये गलत बात है। ये ठीक नहीं है। लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन को इस तरह का बयानबाजी नहीं करना चाहिए। ये गंभीर विषय पर चर्चा चल रही है।
Our favorite. Just like the production system is a weapon, just like Jati Jangarna is a weapon of transformation, this is what the entire architecture is built on. I remember before the elections, all of you were saying 400 par, and you were saying you would change this. And then I was glad to see that the Prime Minister walked in and then was forced to bow his head in front of the Constitution. It was a moment of pride for all Congress people that we had explained to the Prime Minister and to the whole country that no force will dare touch this. Yeah. I know that the RSS has never accepted this. Mohan Bhagwatji has said that India didn't get independence in 1947. He has said that this constitution is meaningless. I know that is at your heart. We will never let your dream come true. This constitution is going to rule India always. Now,
एक मिनट आप प्रतिपक्ष के नेता हैं। मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि जो विषय आप रखें वह तथ्यों के आधार पर रखें, तो उचित होगा। मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा, और जो सदन के सदस्य नहीं है उनकी चर्चा न करें।
बताता हूं सर, मोहन भागवत
आप नियम प्रक्रियाओं की पालन करें। आपसे अपेक्षा।
सर, मोहन भागवत जी ने स्टेटमेंट दिया।
मोहन भागवत का स्टेटमेंट
Speaker sir, Mohan Bhagwat ji made a statement saying that India did not receive independence in 1947. It received independence when the Ram Mandir was inaugurated. We will place that on the table.